Hi students, today we are discussing about the exoergic reactions. In exoergic reaction, the reaction in which energy will be released, then the reactions are said to be exoergic reactions. So in this process what happens? Energy will be released. Okay, let us take one nuclear reaction. A plus B gives rise to the C plus D. Here A and B are called as reactants. C and D are called as products. Okay. In exoergic reaction, mass of reactants greater than the mass of products. So reactants has more mass, products has less mass. Then there is certain variation in the mass is there. Okay, how much variation in the mass is indicated by mass defect. So what is the formula for mass defect? Here this one is more na. That's why reactants mass of A plus mass of B minus mass of C plus mass of D. Okay, this mass defect will be utilized as energy released in the process. So plus Q. So energy released in the process is how much? Energy released Q is equal to delta M into C square. Then heat in terms of joule. Here C I know 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Delta M in kgs if they given, then utilize this formula. If suppose delta M is given in AMUs, atomic mass units, then the formula for the Q is delta M into 931.5 units are mega electron volts MeVs. Okay, this is exoergic reaction. So in this exoergic reaction, the important thing was the mass of reactants is greater than the mass of the products. Now, endoergic reactions. In case of endoergic reactions, the reaction in which energy will be absorbed. If energy released, exoergic. If energy absorbed, endoergic. Okay. Now, in this endoergic reactions, mass of the reactants lesser than the mass of the products. So that the reactants absorb some energy to produce the products. So here these reactants are absorbing some energy. If your Q will be taken that side, it becomes minus Q. Okay. So in this case, products has more mass now. That's why the mass defect formula becomes products MC plus MD minus MA plus MB. Okay. After getting the mass defect, we can get the formula for the energy absorbed. The energy absorbed formula is again mass defect into C square if delta M given in kgs. If delta M in given in AMUs, then the formula becomes delta M into 931.5 MeVs. Okay, this is endoergic reactions. Okay, now the very important concept for competitive examinations, radioactivity. Okay, it was discovered by Becquerel in 1876. What is radioactivity? Unstable nucleus becomes into stable nucleus by emitting alpha particles, beta particles, or gamma radiations. Okay, this phenomena is called as radioactivity. Okay, let us see. In a nuclei, we can draw a graph between number of neutrons and number of protons. Then, for all the nuclei, the graph will be coming like this. The indication, the nuclei which are lie on this line have more stability. Okay, if suppose if some nuclei have some nuclei is just above this line, that means they are unstable. So they are participate in the radioactivity to get the stability. And some nuclei are here. These are also unstable. So in order to get the stability, again these are participate. Okay. So the radioactivity is generally a nuclear phenomenon. We are discussing about inside the nucleus only. Okay. And experimentally they observe that the heavier nuclei beyond lead is the nuclear. Beyond the lead, the heavier nucleus are generally participates in the radioactivity. Okay, so in periodic table, all the nuclei which are above the lead are try to participate in the radioactivity. Not only heavier nuclei, some lighter nuclei also having the process of radioactivity. The best example is C614 isotope. Generally, carbon available in C612, but it has three isotopes: C612, C613, C614. Also, in this, the radioisotope C614, okay, which is participate in the radioactivity. Okay, it is used for carbon dating method. In order to measure the ages of the rocks, we are using C614, and also potassium 1940. It is also one of the isotope which is used for which is participate in the radioactivity. Okay, and next, it's very important point. The chemical and physical properties of the radioactivity is not affected by high temperature, high pressure, or strong electric field. This is not like atoms. In atoms, we learn that the electrons are bounded around the nucleus. If you give certain amount of energy, The electrons gains the energy and they are liberated from the atom. We learn in the atom chapter. Okay, there is some electron emission process we observe. The thermionic emission, on that temperature is increases, and electric field emission process, on that a strong electric field is applied. Basing on that, electrons will be liberated from the atoms now. But in this radioactivity, this type of increasing temperature or increasing pressure or by applying the strong electric field, these chemical and physical properties of nuclei does not varies. Okay, so it's very important thing. We are discussing about only inside the nucleus, and generally the radioactivity is participated by the heavier nuclei, and the chemical and physical properties are does not affected by the temperature, pressure and the electric field. This is about the radioactivity.